So today, I really need your help with something. Just a couple weeks ago, YouTube informed me that I had officially been on the platform for 5 years. Realizing that you've been doing anything for 5 years can make you reflect a bit. When that thing is a career shift that puts you in front of millions of eyeballs every month, it adds a weird twist to things. I've always been very grateful for my time here on YouTube. And the thing that I've been happiest about is that it's given me the opportunity to teach. That's what people really watch my channel for. Information. These insights and solutions that a lifetime in the trades has taught me, I get to teach it all to you in video form, and I love that. But over the last couple years, I've realized that my ability to do that is somewhat limited by the platform itself. The nature of YouTube is such that you can never really just teach people anything. You have to play the algorithm game. That contest for more attention and more eyeballs. And you spend the vast majority of your energy figuring out how you can make videos which will generate more clicks. But the problem with this is that it really underserves you, the viewer, the person who is primarily using this platform as a source of education. It can be very hard for you to get straightforward information and solutions without wading through a sea of broken up clickbait titles and subpar videos. So I've decided that in the coming weeks, I'm going to start something new. It's a better way to continue teaching you in my style. Today, I'm going to explain my new project to you, and I hope that afterwards, you'll even stick around to provide a little feedback on it. And that's all coming up next on The Honest Carpenter Show. The real problem with YouTube, as I see it, is that it doesn't let you teach anything in a straightforward fashion. Every time I think of a topic I'd like to cover, I immediately ask myself, how can I spin this so that it attracts the widest possible audience? That's what success on YouTube requires. Viral videos, insanely high view counts. If you don't have those, then you won't grow at all, and eventually you'll have to quit because it's too much work for no audience. But this also means that you'll end up avoiding any topic or subject that doesn't have the potential to massively blow up. And even when you do pick a topic, you still have to present all your information in this chopped up, sideways fashion that can sometimes feel silly or contrived. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't teach on YouTube. You absolutely can. I'll go to the grave insisting that this is probably the greatest educational forum ever created because it's so diverse and it's free for everybody. But the problem is, it's just not a great place to learn things deeply. You have to spend days tracking down and sorting through random videos just to try to get a full picture on one topic. This is like going to a school where every 10 minutes, you have to get up and leave one classroom, walk all the way across campus, and listen to some new teacher start explaining the whole thing in a different way. It's just not efficient. It's frustrating for the viewer and for the content creator because we have to live inside this algorithm roller coaster. That's why I've finally made a decision. This summer, I'm going to begin offering online courses through my website. I'll begin creating my own little Honest Carpenter University. This way I can finally choose the topics that I want, skip the algorithm, and teach things in the way that I know they should be taught. Online courses themselves are nothing new. People offer them for every industry and topic you can think of. My buddy Steve Ramsey has one of the biggest introductory woodworking courses in the world. The only problem is creating them is an insane amount of work, as is rebuilding a website so it can host my video courses. So this is going to dominate a lot of my time going forward, and I'm going to have to really focus on it to make sure that I get it right. Now, for those of you who might be worried hearing this, I promise, I'm not leaving YouTube. I'm still going to be a content creator here. Many topics just fit better here on YouTube. They're built for this platform. Not all subjects belong in an online course. But I'm telling you all this now because my posting here will probably become a bit more erratic in the future, and I just want everybody to be prepared for that. One of my compromises for this is that I'll actually begin posting a lot more shorts, and they'll primarily be good tidbits pulled from older videos. I see this as a win-win because so many videos get buried by the algorithm, and some of the best information in them just vanishes. Also, it's very easy to forget what you've seen in a video from months or years ago, so these shorts can be a really awesome refresher for longtime viewers. So when you see these shorts pop up, check them out. It's just more helpful information. For my part, I'm really excited to begin developing online courses, and I have a million ideas for them. But I'm still figuring out exactly how to structure my courses, and this is where I really need your help. You can play a pivotal role in determining how future courses are shaped by just answering a few questions for me. Would you prefer shorter course packages, 1 to 2 hours, chopped into bite-sized videos? Or would you prefer larger course packages, 4 to 8 hours, containing bite-sized videos broken into larger sections? Also, what sort of topics would you like me to deep dive? I'll post a poll asking these things in about the next 10 minutes, and I'll continue to post polls under my community tab in the future, so please, weigh in. And of course, I'd love to hear any and all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. This change will finally let me use my skills and my know-how in the greatest possible fashion to serve you. I know that I can teach you better this way. And I can continue to team up with masters in other specific fields, drywall, trim, even contracting and building code, and present their information in the clearest way possible. So I might disappear for just a little while, but I promise I'm working hard. And I will drop back in here periodically to deliver more YouTube videos. But for now, as always, thanks for watching. I'm Ethan James with TheHonestCarpenter.com. I'll see you online.